Welcome to the 21st session of Cyber Offenses and Cyber Crimes. In today's session, we will study attacks on mobile or cell phones. The first type is mobile phone theft. Mobile phones have become an important part of everybody's life, and the mobile phone has variety of options from cheaper to very expensive phones, and it is also a necessity for everyone. Increase in the purchasing power and availability of number of low cost handsets have also led to an increase in mobile phone users. Theft of mobile phones has risen dramatically over the past few years, since huge section of working population in India use public transport. Major locations where theft occurs are bus stops, railway stations, and traffic signals. Many insurance companies have stopped offering mobile theft insurance due to a large number of false claims. When anyone loses his mobile phone, more than anything, contact list and personal information is most important than losing the phone. Nowadays, mobile or cell phones are becoming fancier and expensive, hence, theft of mobile is increasing. Ensure to note the following details about your cell phone and preserve it in a safe place. First one, your phone number which you are using. Second, which company's phone you have and model number of your phone. Third, color and appearance details of your mobile. Fourth one, PIN or security lock code of your phone. Fifth, IMEI number of your phone. IMEI stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity Number. It is a number unique to every cell phone. It is a 15-digit number and can be obtained by entering star hash 06 hash from the keypad. The EMI number is used by the GSM network to identify valid devices and therefore can be used to stop accessing the network in that country. For example, if a mobile phone is stolen, the owner can call his service provider and instruct them to lock the phone using its IMEI number. This will help to stop the uses of phone in that country, even if a SIM card is changed. Security of information if phone is stolen or lost. First one, add a security mark on your cell phone. Use permanent marker and print your alternate contact number and short address on your cell phone in instrument as well as on battery. In case someone finds your handset, it is easier to contact you if a finder of your cell phone would like to return it for you. Second, set a password and ensure the password is strong enough so that a finder of your cell phone cannot easily guess your password. Third one, in case of loss of your cell phone, register a complaint with cell phone service provider immediately. Using your EMEI number to enable your service provider to block your cell phone and your account details. In case of loss of your cell phone, register a complaint at the police station and obtain FIR. Keep an eye on your phone while traveling. During the security check of the airport security, ensure to retrieve your cell phone immediately once it enters the X-ray machine. Fifth one, periodic backup is important, and especially if you are traveling. Backup before traveling is necessary. It takes only few minutes to take backup, but it always helpful in case you lost your cell phone during traveling. Install anti-theft software on your cell phone. Anti-theft software does not allow the criminal to use another SIM card in the stolen cell phone. When a SIM card is changed, the system asks for a verification code. Even if the criminal managed to break the code, the phone sends message regarding the change of SIM card to two selected contacts from the cell phone contact with the new SIM number, so it becomes easy to trace the mobile. That's it for today's session. In next session we will study mobile viruses in mobile.